Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla begins hiring spree at new megafactory in Lathrop, California. Android Auto now works in Tesla vehicles through the browser. Two separate cases of vandalism show Tesla hate is a very real thing. And Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus delivery wait times extend to June 2022. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Upon the announcement of Tesla building a new dedicated production facility for its massive Megapack energy storage product, the company is now launching a massive hiring spree at the plant, which is located in Lathrop, California. Last week, there were reports on a new Megapack production facility that Tesla broke ground on in Lathrop. Lathrop is a town just east of San Francisco in Northern California, located just a few miles away from Fremont, where Tesla's production of its electric vehicles takes place. Tesla just started construction on the facility a few days ago, and it should be up and running in the coming months. The reason for the dedicated Megapack plant is due to the overwhelming demand that Tesla has had to navigate through for its biggest energy storage product. The Megapack is most commonly utilized for large-scale energy storage projects that can run entire towns off of stored solar energy. Among the most popular is the Big Battery in Victoria, Australia, where Tesla Megapack has operated a large-scale storage operation for several years. More energy projects like the Victoria Big Battery are popping up, and Tesla is a common candidate to solve these needs. As sustainable energy continues to take off, Tesla's Megapack was scouted by several projects, effectively selling Tesla out of the product until the end of 2022, CEO Elon Musk said during the Q2 2021 earnings call. Now that Tesla has a facility for Megapack production, discrepancies in production and delivery will begin to iron themselves out. However, the automaker and sustainable energy entity is now looking to hire for nearly every position at the Lathrop plant, making it abundantly clear that the large operation in Northern California will need all hands on deck to create this stable and effective production of the Megapack. Tesla appears to be referring to the Lathrop facility as the Megafactory on all of its job listings at the plant. While some employment opportunities in Lathrop were available through Tesla before now, these positions were for a distribution facility that Tesla also operates in the area. One of the most interesting job descriptions is for a technical project manager at the Megafactory. This position entails a liaison between several groups that will have to coordinate in the launch of new projects and products. Based on this job description alone, Tesla may have more energy products up its sleeve in the coming years, and the Megafactory may be for more than just producing Megapacks. Moving to the next update, Android Auto now works in Tesla vehicles through the browser. Tesla is the king of the hill when it comes to electric vehicles, and a big point of where the company pulls ahead is with tech. Android Auto, though, has always eluded Tesla vehicles, but a proof of concept demo shows that it is possible. Emil Borconi, the creator of the clever AA wireless dongle, posted a video to Reddit that shows Android Auto up and running on a Tesla display, complete with touchscreen controls. As evidenced by just looking at the video, though, this functionality is very much in its early days. Tesla owners can simply download the app, which costs $6.50, and put it to use. Users connect their phone to their car through Bluetooth, connect the Tesla Wi-Fi to the phone's hotspot, and then go to androidwheels.com on your in-car web browser. This Android Auto implementation enables users to display apps, like Google Maps or Waze, directly on their Tesla's center display. The app is still in beta, but it seems like it is working fairly well. The developer did warn of some known issues, which are as follows. When or after switching to reverse, the video can become unresponsive. A refresh of the page will fix this. The app uses native FFmpeg binary on the phone side, which on some occasions can die in the background. This will not happen during the drive, more like during the setup, or if you close the browser of Tesla many times, then switch back to it. Sadly, this needs a service to be stopped and restarted. Performance depends on the phone, and on the Tesla browser as well. Underpowered phones might not be able to stream correctly in 720 pixel. Wireless charging when using AA can lead to phone overheating. Happens on my OnePlus 8 Pro. I can avoid this by using a wired charger, a bit unfortunate, but this is again phone dependent. If you lose mobile phone signal for a long time, it might decide to disconnect from the Wi-Fi and you won't be able to reconnect until you're back in an area with mobile coverage. It's unclear at this point when this project might release to the public, but it's interesting to see that it's at all possible to use Android Auto on a Tesla, even if the process is a little hacky at this point. Moving to the next update, two separate cases of vandalism show Tesla hate is a very real thing. We have seen a lot of cases of vandalism against Tesla vehicles that has been caught on Sentry mode. While we would like to think it is random or that it seems to happen to Tesla cars more often than others because of the built-in surveillance feature, two recent cases show that Tesla hate is a very real thing. The first incident took place in an underground parking garage in Los Angeles earlier this week. In the video shared by a Reddit user, we see the owner of the adjacent car return to his vehicle after an apparent shopping trip. For no reason at all, he proceeds to key the rear passenger door not once, but twice. Adding insult to injury, he then purposely slams his door into the Tesla, leaving a large dent next to the X scratched into the paint. Fortunately, Sentry mode caught a perfect shot of not only his face, but also his license plate. The Reddit user says he has filed a police report and a claim through his insurance company to fix the damage, which was estimated at around $900. A separate incident of vandalism caught on Sentry mode also took place in California this week. The video was also shared by a Reddit user and shows a woman first littering and then out of nowhere reaching across and keying the side of the Tesla. But that apparently wasn't enough, as she does it a second time before driving off and giving us a perfect view of her license plate. Similar to the other case, the owner says they filed a police report and after reviewing their footage, confirmed they did nothing to the suspect leading up to the incident, did absolutely nothing wrong. Didn't cut her off, didn't park poorly. Similar to the other case, a police report has been filed. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus delivery wait times extend to June 2022. If you thought the 6-month wait for the entry-level Model 3 and Model Y was long, you might not want to configure a car on Tesla's website today. According to the online design studio, orders for the Standard Range Plus Model 3 are not expected to arrive until June 2022, a full 9 months into the future. Unlike other recent delivery date changes, this one only impacts the Standard Range Plus in standard white and with the stock 18-inch aero wheels. Switching to any premium color and are upgrading to the 19-inch sport wheels decreases your wait time to March 2022. This latest update follows a similar trend over the last few months as Tesla faces record demand while still only having one factory supplying cars for North America. That bottleneck should be cleared soon as Giga Texas nears production. Tesla recently announced a switch in location of their annual shareholder meeting to the new factory. With the last-minute switch for the event still scheduled for October 7, 2021, it would not be surprising to hear a big announcement about the factory's opening from CEO Elon Musk during the meeting. The opening of Giga Texas will bring a huge relief to Tesla. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.